Typical day. Good evening. My name is Daniel Mora Vallares. I am a business administration student at UNADO University. I get up at 5 a.m. I have breakfast very light. I eat a fruit, coffee, and bread. I take the Transmilenio at 5:30 a.m. I have lunch break and talk to my friends. I go home. I do not work. I do homework usually in my computer. I have dinner at 7:30 p.m. I go to bed at 12 a.m. Last vacation. The last vacation was great because it was the birthday of my aunt and all of my mother's family were found. The place was from Boyacá. There are not many swimming pools, but there are some waterfalls. The day we ate a dish of meat called mamona is roasted meat around the flame. We drank chicha. The beverage made from corn. It was delicious. The next day we walked through the crops, lulo, but at the moment are not mature. That Sunday we went to village. I was drive a truck. I was really nervous because there were many people. Those vacations were very funny. Next vacation. I would like to visit Ciudad Perdida, the unit from Cogi. It was declared one of the four archaeological parks by the Colombian Institute of Anthropology and History. The tour begins in the Piedras sector. On the left you can find the houses of the Kogis. There is the Mam. He is the spiritual leader of Taironas. In the east, there is a road that leads to the north or Galer sector. In the west, there is a rock called Quiebrapatas. You can go take a bath. It is very fun but very demanding because you have to walk for 5 days through the jungle. I am ready.